Have you ever started a fun upcycling project, ready to stitch, and your sewing machine just refuses to cooperate, stubbornly not picking up the bobbin thread? It is a common and often frustrating moment for many creative sewers, bringing your project to a halt. Your sewing machine is usually not picking up the bobbin thread because of a few common culprits, including incorrect upper threading, a dull or bent needle, improper tension settings, or a problem with the bobbin itself or its casing. Fixing this often involves a simple check of these key areas. The core reason behind this issue lies in the delicate dance between the upper thread and the bobbin thread to form a stitch. The needle carries the upper thread down, creating a small loop. A small hook mechanism then sweeps around to catch this loop, simultaneously grabbing the bobbin thread and pulling it through to form a secure stitch. If the upper thread is not correctly threaded through all guides and tension discs, it cannot form that perfect loop for the hook to catch. Similarly, a needle that is bent, dull, or inserted incorrectly, perhaps with its flat side facing the wrong way, will interfere with this precise timing, causing the hook to miss the loop. Incorrect tension, especially if the upper tension is too loose, means the loop might be too slack for the hook to grab reliably. Even a bobbin that is wound too tightly or too loosely can prevent the thread from feeding smoothly into this critical stitch-forming process. To solve this problem, begin by completely rethreading your machine. Remove both the upper thread and the bobbin, then thread the upper thread carefully, ensuring it passes through every guide and snaps firmly into the tension discs. Next, inspect your needle. Is it bent, dull, or facing the wrong direction? Replacing it with a new, sharp needle and ensuring the flat side is to the back of the machine often resolves the issue. Rewind your bobbin evenly, making sure it is not overfilled or too loose, and then reinsert it correctly into its case, double-checking that the thread feeds in the right direction, typically under a small tension spring. You can also test your upper tension by pulling the thread through the needle with the presser foot down. It should have a slight, consistent resistance. A pro tip many experienced sewers learn is to always start with the presser foot *up when threading the upper thread. This opens the tension discs, allowing the thread to seat properly. If you thread with the presser foot down, the tension discs are closed, and the thread might not sit correctly, leading to skipped stitches or the machine not picking up the bobbin thread at all. This small detail can make a big difference in achieving consistent stitch quality. Understanding these fundamental mechanics of your sewing machine empowers you to quickly diagnose and fix common issues like a missed bobbin thread. This knowledge not only saves you time and frustration, but also deepens your connection with your machine, allowing you to confidently tackle any upcycling project with smooth, reliable stitches.